Hey friends, what's going on? This is Narina Kawal. In this video, I'm going to show you how technology is working today, how software is eating the world. So in this video, I will give you example of technology and software, how is working these days and how you can grow your business using this software. So stay tuned with me, watch the end of video. I will give you some bonus of Facebook organic marketing. So let's jump with me. The first example I will give you is YouTube has not own channel. As you already all know about, there is different type of people who are making YouTube channel, and they are making a channel according to their interest. And you can see there is not on YouTube channel, so different people make the different channel on YouTube. So YouTube has not on YouTube channel, right? So this is how technology is working. So the next example is I will give you. Netflix has not on TV. As you know, Netflix has different program, different movies and channels. So basically it has not on TV, it has not on channel. So different people or companies or everyone put their stuff in Netflix and making money. So this is how technology is working. So it has not on TV or physical, so this is how technology and software is work. So next more I will give you example, so being just clear your ideas how technology and how software is eating the world. So next is, so as you know, Uber has not own car. So Uber just give you ride, and people are using these days for Uber Eat. So Uber has not own car, right? So people are just submit their application, we want to do as Uber, so just use the app and get paid. So Uber has not own car, just this is our technology is working, this is software is working. So as you know, this is going grow day by day, so everyone prefer to use Uber. So you can see the results how Uber is famous and how it's working. So next example I will give you is Amazon. So as you know, Amazon has not own product. So Amazon is working like three ways: Amazon FBA, Amazon FBM, Amazon affiliate, Amazon associate. So in FBA, it's mean the other people send the product into direct Amazon warehouse, and Amazon just pack and send to the customer, right? So when product sale, the main seller will be get commission or their price, so they need to pay every month Amazon. So in the FBM, like me, I just buy the product in my home, so I just put the ad on Amazon, right? So I will pay every month Amazon. When someone order through Amazon to my product, then I will send ship to my customer the product, right? So the third is Amazon associate, it mean Amazon affiliate. So just taking the link from Amazon products, different products, and promote into your social media, you will get commission. Like different products, mostly Amazon offer 10% commission, right? So this is how technology work, right? This is how software is working. So Amazon has not own physical product, right? So as you can see, I will give you one more example. You can see Bitcoin has not physical coin. So as you know, Bitcoin is going day by day, increasing, growing. So you can see the result, and you can see the technology and how the software is working. So the next I will give you example. Affiliate marketing has not on product. This is my favorite. I am doing affiliate marketing from 6 months, and you can see my result on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I post regularly how much I'm earning. with affiliate marketing. I'm just promoting the product and get commission. So you can see how I am making. So basically just in affiliate marketing you just promote the other people's stuff and get commission. So in affiliate marketing there is not any physical product, there is no product, just promote and get commission. So just link is work and technology is working and software is working. So this is how you can think about it, these things, how the world is grow today, so how the technology is working, right? So you can think so how the system is going and growing day by day. So next I have a secret tool, I will show you how you can use. So how you can start Facebook organic marketing with autopilot, right? So in my previous video, I explained how you can start Facebook organic marketing step by step. If you are totally beginner, you can go and watch my first Facebook organic marketing video where I explain how you can Facebook where I explain how you can make Facebook profile, timeline, how you can build your own audience, right? So once you done your Facebook profile, cover picture, you can see the autopilot, how the software will be work for you, right? So in the autopilot you will get unlimited Facebook targeted lead, right? You know, this is my targeted person, I'm talking the right person on the right time, right? So you will be know about this is, I'm not wasting my time, you already know about this person will be something buy from you, right? You just need to see the problem of your audience, you just need to give the solution, right? So you will be get unlimited Facebook targeted lead with Facebook autopilot. So I will show you the demo of this autopilot. So let's get started this brand new Facebook tool. So you can see within three year this software tool is grow day by day and its price is going high day by day. So its demand is very high because it's very easy to use and it save your lots of time, so you can get targeted leads. And you know about this is how is work and how will be beneficial for you, right? So how your business is grow. So automatically send friend request and first message from your side, right? So this tool will be send a targeted person first message and friend request from your side. So this is how software will be work for you. If you are using this tool on Facebook organic marketing, your business will definitely will be grow, right? So you will be get targeted leads. So you know you will be talk with targeted people, targeted audience, you know these are my targeted people, right? So next is you need to set your tags and message. You can set the tag and message, first message from your side inside the software. You can set according to your what you want. You can set the different templates like hi, how are you, so I'm doing affiliate marketing, what are you doing, when did you start. So anything you like you can put into your tag and you can send into first message to your friend, right? So this tool will be help you to get targeted leads and you will be get leads definitely. So now let's see the demo. Now I will show you how this software is work for you, how this software will be give you targeted leads in Facebook and how you will be save your time. So basically the big point is saving your time. You know this is my targeted audience and you are not wasting your time, right? So you can give your different links according to your audience, what they want and what they need. So let's go on Facebook. So you can see this is a Facebook. So I already installed tool in my Facebook. So you just need to add in Chrome and set the tags and everything. Once you set, you just need to use this tool. So basically this tool how is working, I just give you a small demo. You can see here there is lots of group according to my interest, because I am doing affiliate marketing, right? So I will give you example. So this is a group. I already installed software in my laptop in my Google Chrome. So you just need to go on group and click on member. So you will see here, this is a EL Messenger Pro. You need to select the category new to group. The person who joined the group new, like few hours before, 1 day before and 2 day before, right? So you know this is your targeted person, right? You can talk with this person and you can offer your product, right, according to the needs. So you need to choose your tag. For example, I have a new tag, questions affiliate marketing 3-day challenge. So I will choose this tag where I just write, hi, how are you, when did you start affiliate marketing, and here the number of requests. You can send 10, 20, 30, as much as you like, right? So for example, I just give 2 requests for now, and sending interval is 20 to 25, and start. Now software is start. You just don't need to touch your laptop. See how this is work. So it will be send the friend request and first message from your side. You can see here. It will be save your time and it will be give you targeted lead. You can see here. So this is first message from my side. You can see here. So the second request is going 17 second. You can see here. So interval is 20 to 25 second. You can stop it here. If you feel the message is going 2 times in same person, you can stop it here. And here we go. You can see here. So I just give you a demo of this software. So the next one more benefit of this software is I can show you is here. You can go on to different posts. For example, this is a post, it has 123 comment and 29 likes, right? So you know about this is my targeted people. I will talk these people, and definitely I will share my ideas, opinion, and maybe you will be give your product which you are offering, right? So according to their needs. First you need to identify what is need of your audience, what is needs, and you just need to see the pain point what he need, and you just need to give solution, right? So you can see here, for example, this group. So here you can see there is 457 comments and lots of like. You can see here, click on like, and you can see here this software. You need to choose the tag, interval, and number of request, and start the tool. So this is how this tool will be help you to get targeted leads on Facebook, and you will be get see the result how this tool will work for you, how you will be get targeted audience, targeted leads. So you can use in any type of business. So you can see here, this is how this tool is work for you, and you can make easily leads or money, anything according to your business. You can do it. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this tool, how this tool is work. If you have any question, just drop down a comment, right? So you can ask me any question regarding to this tool. If you want this tool, just DM me on Instagram, on Facebook. I will share you link of this tool, how you can use this tool. I will give you tags. So in the starting of video, I told you I have a bonus for you. So if you are watching this video, I will give you a bonus. So I have secret Facebook organic training. If you want, I can send you PDF file. So just DM me on Instagram or Facebook, then I will help you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.